In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, ClickUp is a fantastic project management tool that helps you keep track of your tasks, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Assigning tasks to your teammates or even to yourself is a fundamental part of making this platform work for you. So let's dive right in. First, let's go ahead and create a task. Once you log into ClickUp, you'll typically land on your workspace. Look for the option that says Add Task. You'll find it prominently displayed on your screen. Click on that and a new task window will pop up. We'll go ahead and name this task. Let's say, for example, we'll call it Task 7. Just type that in, and how easy was that? At this point, you'll see that the new task, Task 7, has been created. Now this is where the magic happens, assigning it to someone. To assign the task, look for the area labeled Assignees. You'll see a little plus icon right under that label. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. A list of team members will appear, allowing you to choose who to assign this task to. For instance, if I want to assign this task to myself, I can simply select my name. Or maybe I want to assign it to someone named Pioneer. Just like that, when I click on the name, it's been assigned. But wait, there's another way to do this. If you're a visual person, you might prefer the board view in ClickUp. This gives you a different perspective of your tasks, and sometimes it's easier to see everything laid out visually. In the board view, you can also add a task very similarly. Let's say you want to create a new task called Record Videos. Just click on Add Task in your board, type in the name, and voila! You have a new task titled Record Videos. Next, just like before, you'll want to assign this task as well. This time, I'll click on Add Assignee directly in the board view. I want to assign this task to myself again, so I'll select my name. It's important to also set a due date if that's relevant for your work. You'll find an option to choose a date, and you can set a priority level for the task as well to help manage your workload effectively. Once you've done that, simply hit the Save button. And just like that, I have successfully assigned myself the Record Videos task right in the board view. Sometimes, it can feel a bit overwhelming when you first start using a new tool like ClickUp, but assigning tasks becomes second nature with a little practice. So there you have it. Assigning tasks in ClickUp is straightforward and easy to pick up, whether you're creating a task from scratch or managing tasks in a board view. It enhances collaboration and accountability within your team, ensuring everyone knows what they need to be working on. If you take this back to your own project management routine, you'll see how it can streamline your workflow and improve communication with your teammates. Remember, the more organized you are, the better you can manage your time and resources, which is always a win. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and tricks on using ClickUp and other productivity tools. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, happy task managing.